Fix this area because it's slippery. Hey Dad, can I go down there?
Can you?
I'll just try. Ooh. I think I need to grab something for me to hold, like a stick. Last time I did like those, I almost slipped down, even when there's no obstacles.
You can do it.
Okay.
Stick.
Oh.
Just careful.
Okay, how do I get down there without slipping? Very slippery here. Oh, that's unfortunate. Over
I
here.
will feed the dog, ha? Don't go somewhere. Say tabi-tabi po.
Tabi-tabi po. Oh my God. Oh. God. Oh. Okay, don't go down there. Tabi-tabi po. Whoa, so beautiful here. Can't believe my dad managed to make this. No. Oh, hell nah. The way